Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple process of creating a sign-up form in AWeber. First, log into your AWeber account. From your dashboard, look for the Pages and Forms option on the main navigation menu. This is where you can manage all your landing pages and sign-up forms. Next, click on Sign Up Forms. This will take you to a page where you can see any existing forms and also create new ones. To start a new form, click on Create a new sign-up form. This will open the Form Builder where you can design your sign-up form. AWeber will ask you where you want to host it, either on an AWeber landing page or directly on your own website. Choose the option that fits your needs best. Give your form a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later in your account. Now comes the fun part, customizing your form. You can add text, images, borders, and other elements to match your brand style. AWeber also provides a nice selection of pre-designed templates, so if you want to save time, just pick one that fits your look and customize it further. Before you publish, make sure to preview your form. This helps you see exactly how it will appear to your potential subscribers. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish to save and make your form live. Your sign-up form is now ready to collect new subscribers. And that's it. You've successfully created an AWeber sign-up form in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get started with AWeber more confidently.